SAPS phone expert Colonel Lambertus Steyn's explosive evidence will be put to the test during cross-examination by the defence in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. Last week, Steyn testified on cell phone records with a possible link to not only the accused other, but also singer Kelly Khumalo and accused number 5. 5 men are on trial for the 2014 murder of the former Bafana captain. Newzroom Afrika's Mnisi is following the story and joins us live from court. Linda, a very good morning to you. Some explosive revelations revealed last week in court. In terms of the investigation and the line of questioning, what can be expected today as we get into court?
One of the things that we can expect from the defense, particularly where their clients are concerned, is with regards to the links that the state has drawn here, critical, intricate links that Colonel Steyn has painted to the courts in terms of how the accused or whether the accused know each other or not. You'll remember Colonel Steyn, demonstrated to the court that there's been a number of calls between the accused, except for number 4, placing accused number 5 and 3 right at the center of this communication that seems to have taken place during that particular time. But also, you'll remember that accused number 5 has also been pointed out as having made calls with one of the people who were in the house, and that's the then girlfriend of soccer sensation Senzo Meyiwa, Kelly Khumalo, who, according to the state, received 2 calls prior to Senzo Meyiwa's murder. That was in the 2nd of August and 15th October 2014. And you'll remember, Senzo Meyiwa was gunned down on the 26th of October, just days after that particular call. So obviously, with the defense having their clients being making calls and the link between their clients as well as Kelly Khumalo and some of the other accused persons, the defense will want to kind of question the kind of evidence that has been put to the test. What has not been revealed is what the contents of those calls are, which of course one may expect that would then be challenged. We heard that accused number 2 had saved accused number 5 as for Khumalo in one of his numbers that Colonel Steyn had to analyze during, of course, the work that he was tasked to do. So many questions still lie ahead, but what the state has been able to do with its evidence in chief is link the accused to each other. And you'll remember just the previous week before Colonel Steyn's testimony, what we had heard from accused number 2 was how he knew accused number 1, and he had pointed out that he's seen accused number 5 around, and it turns out that he had saved his number in his phone as for Khumalo. So we're expecting, of course, that evidence to put under test, because, of course, it kind of assists the state in trying to draw a picture of what it's trying to prove to this court. All the witnesses that are currently being called are the state's witnesses, and it has a duty, obviously, to prove beyond reasonable doubt that the 5 accused men are indeed guilty of Senzo Meyiwa's murder.
Very well, Linda Mnisi. Let's perhaps leave it there, summing up much of what we heard last week and the expectations as the court gets underway this morning, the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial.